everybody! I'm going to be reacting to Charlie Puth, Light Switch. So Charlie Puth just released a music video for the song called Light Switch. I've not heard the song yet. I think it should be a really good song. I love Charlie Puth. I love his voice. I think it should be a good music video based on the thumbnail alone. He is so hot too. So I'm so excited. Let's do this and hope you enjoy my reaction. Yes! So excited! Wow, a fat Charlie Puth. I love this song. It is so catchy. Oh wow, the music video is pretty cool too. Oh wow. Oh. I love this. The song is so catchy too. Yes. They definitely have like a fat suit to him. Because he's not that fat. Yes. I love it. It's so good. Yeah. Oh. Yes. 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 Oh. Aww. So sweet. She has to take him back. Oh. Is there gonna be a guy like, right? Oh, yeah, that's what I thought. Aww. Wow, that song is so catchy. It is so good. He has an amazing voice. But you have to admit, I was paying more attention to the music video more than the song. Because it was so good. I think he wore like a fat suit, probably. Because he's more fit than anything. But it's so sad he didn't get the girl in the end. Which I saw that coming. I had a feeling that was coming. But that was so good. I love the song. I hope you enjoyed my reaction. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. If you like my reaction, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And then comment down below when you follow the music video.